look at how to take the pants off. Once again, I'm not going to go on about it too much, but we've got the fast explosive shock factor, the slow sexy factor. Let me show you the fast factor. So with most rip-off pants, I'm not too sure how you've had yours done, but I love to have a little bit of Velcro on the sides here, and I recommend everybody get a little patch of Velcro around the sides here when getting your rip-off pants made, because it's going to help secure it in place. A big problem for male strippers is pants prematurely ripping during their routine before they actually want it to rip. Literally one of the biggest problems strippers face. So get a little tab of Velcro there, and it's going to really secure it around the waist, and it's going to make sure your pants don't fall off. You may rip down here a little bit, but it's not going to come off your body, okay? Now, if you've got those little Velcro tabs, when you're preparing for that rip off, just pull them off, pull them out. So those tabs are just flapping there a little bit, okay? When you pull them out, you just want to grab a hold of it. So you can do this while you're preparing to rip your pants off without even letting the girls know. You can rip those tabs off, you can just walk around like this. You can walk around the room, it just looks like you've got your hands on your hips, but really you're getting ready to rip your pants off, okay? So you're not even giving it away yet. Keep a hold of those front tabs, okay? Keep a hold of them. Now, the trick here with ripping pants off, if you've got press stud rip-off pants, shouldn't be a problem, be pretty easy. But if you've got Velcro rip-off pants, they can be a bit harder to rip off, okay? So, we want to bend over, keep our legs nice and straight, push our bum out, dip our body right over. So see how my spine is nice and parallel with the ground, okay? Nice and parallel, legs straight, bum out, chest up. Now in this position, all we have to do is practically extend our arms. Once we've extended our arms, it's going to come straight up our body. Now we get into this position because if we rip our pants off by extending our arms fully upright, we're physically not getting the full rip off our body, and you'll find 8 or 9 times out of 10, you will have the pants still attached to your ankles. I see this all the time on social media and on YouTube from male strippers posting their strip shows. It blows my mind how people still do it. They rip off their pants standing up. So get a nice wide stance. Grab a hold of those tabs at the front. Bend over. Bum out, legs straight. Extend the arms. One big, powerful movement. Voila! It's that simple. Literally, all you gotta do is extend your arms, pants will fly off. Okay? Now let me show you how you do it slow and sexy. Okay, now let's look at the slower way, the sexier way of taking off your pants. Now this is not a wow factor at all. Probably not one of the most common ways of doing it. That shock, that wow, that complete boom, that rip off is probably the way 99% of strippers rip off their pants. It's a great way. But depending on the type of song you've got, depending on the choreo and the routine you're doing, you might want to adopt a different way of ripping off your pants. First, let me begin by saying there's a really cool way of actually taking off your pants so you can actually get the girls involved. You can try getting the girls to hold onto your pants by putting their fingers through these loops right here at the front, or just simply holding on to the front waist.